Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how you can enable dark mode in threads.net, then you are at right place. You can also enable this option in threads.net by following this video. So the option is not available right now within the application, but you can use another method in order to use threads.net in dark mode. So how you can use this method? On iPhone and Android, there is an option which is available here as dark mode. So if I turn off this option, my application will turn into white mode, as you can see. So if you want to make it on dark mode, you can use this option from your Android phone or iPhone. So as you can see now, this option, after enabling this option, my application is working in dark mode. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.